Is your Nvidia Shadowplay refusing to record those epic gaming moments? Don't worry, we're going to fix that, step by step. First, let's verify Shadowplay is actually enabled. Go to the GeForce Experience interface, and look for the General tab. Ensure the in-game overlays, which is toggled on. This activates Shadowplay's recording functionality. If it's off, turn it on. If it was already on, try toggling it off, restarting your game, and then toggling it back on. This often does the trick. Next, check your recording settings. Go to the settings icon within the GeForce Experience overlay, and click on Recordings. Make sure Record Desktop is enabled. This allows Shadowplay to record more than just games. Running out of space. Shadowplay needs a lot of hard drive space. Ensure your destination drive has enough storage for gameplay recordings. A full drive can prevent recording. Finally, check your hotkeys. Make sure you haven't accidentally changed or disabled the record hotkey. You can find these in the settings section of the GeForce Experience overlay, and then hotkeys. Hopefully, one of these steps has solved your Shadowplay recording issues. Now you can get back to capturing those awesome gaming moments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.